Good morning, guys. So today is day 7, so welcome back, and thank you guys so much for the ones who have been watching my Vlogmas consistently. I truly appreciate you guys. There wasn't a vlog yesterday because I did some miscalculations or something, but there would have ended up being 13 vlogs instead of 12, which I hate odd numbers. So I was like, okay, I just won't upload tomorrow. So yeah, I mean, I said that yesterday that I wouldn't upload today, but yeah, so yeah, sorry if you guys missed me, but that's why you guys still will have 12 vlogs for sure. I just made it to work. Today is not the day after, but the day after the Christmas party. That vlog was super. I didn't know it was gonna be that dark in the place because I never been there, but it was super dark, so I had planned to just vlog all in there, like that would be the vlog, because I ended up forgetting my camera at home when I had went to work or whatever. But I mean, it's cool. I mean, it's very low lit and it is what it is, but I mean, some of you guys still enjoyed. Well, I guess most of you guys. I haven't had any negative comments. I haven't even checked to see if there was any dislikes, but for some reason my videos now get dislikes, when before I didn't used to get dislikes. But I mean, it's cool, not everyone is gonna like you, but why do you watch my videos if you know you just don't like my videos or like me? Because obviously I haven't been talking about anything controversial, whatever. I haven't been talking about anything crazy, so I mean, it's like, what's not for you to like, guys? Like, what's not there for you to like if you click on my videos? I don't know, it's just weird. It's just weird. But anyways, I'm about to go into work. It's 6:32 and it is Wednesday, December 19th, guys. Christmas is right around the corner. That's crazy. And my job for these past until the end of the year, my job is just so crazy busy. But anyways, I'm about to go in here and get this shop set up. Guys, this is my life walking into the dry bar. This shipment came on Monday, and why is it still here? Why? All of this stuff, and look, like, this should be put away. Oh, there's more. There's more. First off, this was the biggest shipment we ever got in life. It was huge. Here's more. And here's more. And there's a floor change that I have to do as well by myself. Joy. Okay, so when I say floor change, I mean like this skinny wall, these like product walls and stuff over there, and we have like signs and stuff like this one that we have to sometimes change out, and then props like this. This music is so loud. And then more shelves. So as you can see, there's a ton of shelves. Hey. This is the part where I start speaking, but I don't know what to say. All right, I'm gonna step out. Okay, peace, love, and hair grease. Not hair grease. Not hair grease.
Oh, excuse me, peace, love, and
blowouts, right?
different one or the same one?
Which one?
Your
Oh no, that's a different one. I was gonna say again, you are it's a different one. That's what I've been working on, a road. It's like totes with the bow on top. Yes. in, and I'm ready to go. Oh, my camera's on 45%. Hey guys, so I'm home from work. It's 4:16 and I'm home for the day. I'm not doing anything else. You guys will just see me majority at work, just doing little stuff. And that's the vlog for today. My dog is going crazy. I fasted for a total of like 18 hours and 30 minutes. So yeah, that's that. So I didn't eat none while I was at work. Like zilch, nada, nothing. I just drink water and I had some green tea. What else? That's about it. Then I went to the mall, but I didn't vlog because I was annoyed and I just needed to return something. I know you guys are probably like, dang girl, you always returning stuff, but literally if I don't like something, I'm gonna take it back for sure, because it's just like, why keep it? Like, for what? So yeah, I returned that, and then I got me some grilled chicken nuggets from Chick-fil-A with some ranch sauce, and that's pretty much all I've eaten today. I'm probably about to eat me some Greek yogurt and chia seeds just to give me a little bit more calories before dinner, because I haven't ate all day. So other than that, so I still have a lot of calories to take in. And yeah, I'm about to go weigh myself. I know I was down like 7 pounds. I want to see if I've lost anything else. Okay guys, so yeah, I've lost exactly 7 pounds. Like exactly 7 pounds in like a week and a half. I guess that's not too bad, but I'm kind of like, oh my god, when am I gonna lose some more weight, you know? Okay guys, this is what I'm about to eat. It doesn't look that appealing, but it's just plain full fat Greek yogurt, and then I added some liquid stevia to the yogurt mix. Then the little black things are chia seeds, and then I added a little bit of shredded or coconut flakes. So that's what I'm about to eat. But anyways guys, this is about to be the end of the vlog for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry this was a shorter, probably boringer vlog. I don't know if it's boring. I don't know, I keep saying that, but some of you guys are like, it's not boring, I like your vlogs. But I appreciate you guys so much. But yeah, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please tell your friends, your family, your mama, and everybody about my videos so that I can gain more subscribers and views and just, you know, more people to the Bell Squad. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.